A diagnostic tool used to measure the strength of a wireless signal is called what? Well, we have a few different tools here. We have a tone generator, a multimeter, a Wi-Fi analyzer, and a network mapper. So out of all of these, which one are we going to get? Well, I know it's not going to be a multimeter because this measures things like voltage, current, resistance, that kind of stuff, anything that has to do with an electrical wire. But it's not a tool used for measuring the strength of a wireless signal. It's more for just, you have a wire, you use it on that. A tone generator is similar where it's used on a wire. It's different though. It uses a tone and a probe, and what you do with it is basically use it to find the ends of cables. So you can tap the tone generator to the end of a cable, and then you put the probe at the other end, and it will make a noise if it connects. It sends an audible tone through the wire that the probe can detect, and it'll tell you if that is continuous, if you're on the right wire. That's how you can use this to find the ends of wires if they're all like bunched up. So lastly, we have a Wi-Fi analyzer and a network mapper. Well, a network mapper is to discover and visualize devices and connections on a network. And you can create a map from this. So this is more of like a visualization, but a Wi-Fi analyzer scans, analysis, and displays information about wireless networks. So it provides info on signal strength, channel interference, and network overlap. You can use this to identify good and bad connection spots in your network. So a type of diagnostic tool used for measuring the strength of a wireless signal is a Wi-Fi analyzer. You do this to find good coverage, bad coverage areas, and maybe suggest to the client they get like an access point to further better their connectivity in a specific area.